In this video, I will show you how to download SuckUp on your PC. Firstly, you can't find this game on Steam or any other usual platform. So, we go this game official website. Let's go to Google and search for SuckUp and click on official website. I will leave link in description to this website. In this website, we have all the information about the game. We can scroll around to find out more about the game. Then scroll back to the top and click on Buy Now. Before buying, you need to read disclaimer, because you will around 40 to 50 hours of play when you purchase it. After, you will need to pay more to play, because this game uses live generative AI models for NPC characters, and it's a lot. You can read installation guide, system requirements for your machine, and supported languages. If you good with all conditions, then press Add to Cart, and you will be redirected to checkout. Fill up your information and press Pay Now. Then you will be able to download and install game, and you will be able to create your account and play the game. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.